This is the result for Webuye East constituency, Bungoma County. Total number of registered voters, 48,950. Total valid votes cast, 30,491. Rejected ballots, 384. Raila Odinga, 13,720. William Samoei, 16,412. Waihika David Maure, 110. Wachakoya George Lushiri, 249. Those are the results for Webuye East constituency. Thank you. We shall be back with more verified results.